Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. So in this one I'm going to just be playing with this mandala art experience kit from Life of Colour. There are some instructions. These pens are specifically for this mandala, although I think you can buy this kit as well separate. If you go and follow the link that comes with the kit, you get taken to a page which shows you lots and lots of different designs for mandalas and suggestions of how you can colour them in. I mean, I would say you don't have to follow this exactly. You could do it your own way. But yeah, I mean, anything goes, and that one's pretty, isn't it? So I think I might kind of go with this one because it's super pretty. So these are the colours. I'm pretty sure that is with the florals pack. It is. So I do really like that one. It's lovely. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to follow the instructions. So, do the pens have numbers on? No. I think we can work it out though. Beautiful colours, aren't they? Lovely, lovely, lovely colours. So I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to start off with, and it just suggests that you add more than one layer of colour. So what I'll do is I'll go in with one. This is like a sort of chipboard. It's really nice to use. It's very smooth. You don't worry about getting splinters or anything like that off it. It is really lovely. And these pens do blend really nicely one into another. So that is fun too. Right, so now that looks like 5. And then into red. So let's go into this one and then blend it through into red. And then I'm just going to go back over here and just blend that. I reckon you could probably smudge it. Yeah, smoosh it. Just to soften those blends. I'm just going to have to wipe that off because there we go. And then I'm just going to go back in here with this one. Just smoosh that round just so it's a softer, you can get that kind of softer blend then actually. You're not going to be likely to see those marks as much. Okay, then I'm going to just make that colour a bit brighter there, like that. And we're going into pink. That might be this one. Bright pink through to light pink. Okay, and I reckon I'll be able to do the same with this one, so I'll keep talking while I finish this little bit and then I'll do the rest on time lapse so you can watch me colouring it. And I do plan to write a really bold quote on here as well, then I'm going to use it as a piece of art on my wall. I plan to go in and add all sorts of marks on after, maybe even a bit of stamping, and bring a bit of that kind of mixed media vibe to it, which is of course what I love to do. You see how easy these pens are just laying down on this board as well. I mean, I guess you could even add a layer of clear gesso first if you wanted to stop them soaking in, but they're going on really easily. I think I would probably going to go in again with another layer of this light pink though, because has kind of soaked in. Oh, isn't it going to be pretty? Okay. So then while that's wet, I'm just going to go in and smudge a bit where I can. It's just, all this does is just softens those areas, because you can see here I've got those quite harsh lines. I don't really want those. I want it to be like a softer blend. So just by drawing on it and then smudging it with my finger, I can just soften those marks a little bit. I quite clearly need to give my fingers a wipe as well, because I've now transferred a bit of orange in there, but I really like how that's looking so far. It's looking really pretty. So the rest of this video I'm going to do on time lapse, and then I will come back at the end when I'm starting to add more details. So here's the finished mandala from Life of Colour. I've used lots and lots of Life of Colour pens, including the kit with the wildflower inspired pens in it. But for doing some of these dots, I kind of went a bit wild and did loads of dots on there. I also used some Life of Colour dotting pens. They are really cool for making lovely dots, but as you can see, the colours are so pretty. I've done lots of white dots in the black lines. I did go into the lines of the mandala with a black pen as well, just to make those stand out. But boy, what fun. It was so much fun to colour in. So pretty. I think it works quite nicely in my very bright art room, which is going to complement it. So yeah, thank you Life of Colour for sending me that, and I can recommend these. They're really, really good fun to play with, and would make a really lovely gift for someone actually. Okay,